Hello beautiful people, it's me again. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on eyeshadow, of course, because it's literally my favorite thing to do in the entire world. But today I'm going to just show you kind of my go-to look that has been like my go-to look here recently for like a week or so. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy it, so let's jump right in. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my Morphe 25B Bronze Mocha palette for this look. It's kind of my go-to for when I want something like smoky but natural. I've been using this a lot recently for like days that I'm just kind of like on the go and I need to get ready pretty quick. This is like one of the best palettes I've ever had just because of the diversity. The colors are so different, but yet they complement each other so well. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to be taking my Morphe R37 brush and I am going to go in with this shade here and this shade here, and I'm just going to be using this as a transition shade. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of dragging this not just in the crease, but kind of focusing on the outer corner a little bit and then dragging the excess into the crease. So let's do the same thing on the other eye. So I'm just building this look up to like a medium. So I'm just building this up and blending it out as I go. I really love the way that this is blending with this brush. It's one of my favorite transition shades brushes in case you guys haven't watched my videos before. I love Morphe brushes. They are literally my go-to, my absolute fave. And I think that if you don't have some, you should get some. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to go in with my Morphe I'm going to go in with my Morphe 433 brush, and I'm just going to take one of these shades here. Before I do, I almost forgot, sorry. I'm going to bake the under part of my eye so that I catch any fallout that I might have. This is a step that you can skip, but honestly it has been a lifesaver for me in using dark shades. So I'm just kind of creating a barrier to pick up any fallout so it doesn't transfer to my foundation and leave like this weird dark spot there even when I wipe it away. So here we go. I'm going to be taking the M433 brush and I'm going to be taking and mixing these two colors here. They're like a mauve-y purple. I don't know if you guys can tell. These two right here. They're mauve, but they're also like purple, but they're also like brown. I don't know how to really describe it, but I'm going to be taking this and focusing this in the same area that I was just focusing that transition shade in the outer corner and up into the crease. Now, what I love about this look is that this is an all matte look, and I've been so into that recently. I think I'm gonna kind of lean more towards that for my wedding day as well. So I've been like playing with different looks and different ideas that I've seen around for wedding day looks. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other. I'm just adding it as I go. I'm not starting with too much product. I'm just adding as I go. That's the #1 thing with makeup and with eye makeup, eyeshadows really, is to just build upon. You never want to have to take away, always build upon. So start with a small amount of product and then build your way up to the look that you were going for. I'm going to go in and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to take my Morphe M535 brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for like cleaning up and blending without any product on the brush. So I'm just going to start and just really blend this out, get any harsh lines and any patchiness, and just really fix it up. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to be taking this deep brown right here. Sorry, you guys can't see. I'm taking this deep brown right here and I'm just going to be placing it on the outer corner where I was just putting that product before. Really, that's the only place that I'm focusing any product on for this look. It's just the outer corner, and then I'm blending the rest up into the crease. So I'm going to go back in and I'm just going to blend any harsh lines I have with that clean brush that I was just using. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go back in with the M433 brush. I'm going to kind of clean it off. And I'm going to take this light shade here. It's just like a matte white. And I am just going to pull this all over the lid. And this is just going to clean up any fallout. It's going to clean up any harsh lines that were there. And it's also going to just really mattify the eyelid, which is what this look is going for. So now, once I'm done, I'm going to dust away that bake that I had on the under part of my eye. And I'm going to take just a really small brush from Morphe. It's the M506 brush. And I'm going to take these two shades that I was doing right before I added that dark brown. And I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm taking that brown shade that I used as well, and I'm just really focusing this on the outer corner of my lash line. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Morphe M432 brush. This is a flat brush that you can use to like conceal your under eye or under your eyebrows, clean up your eyebrows when you do them. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking and I'm going to dip it in the darkest shade of this palette. It's kind of like a really deep purple, eggplant purple color, this one in the corner. And I'm just going to be focusing this on my lash line, where I would typically put eyeliner. And what this is going to do, I'm going to show you right now. This is just going to deepen up and make the lashes kind of pop a little bit more than normal. I do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm just doing just a really thin, smoked out look on. I'm really focusing on the outer edge, and then I'm going to just take it and lightly apply it to the inner corner. I don't want anything too dramatic. So you guys can see that's already added way more definition to my eyelashes, and when I put my mascara on, it's really going to make it pop but still leave me looking really natural. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I've just added my mascara. I did a little bit of tinted lip balm as well. I hope you guys like it, so check it out. It's super easy, it's super fast. You can do it when you're running out the door and still look put together and really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and be sure to subscribe to my channel because I put out new videos every Monday and every Thursday. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye bye.